What's going on, guys? Welcome back to episode 2 of the Radical Bikes winter rebuild.
Audio Jungle.
Right, the time is now 10 past 5. We're currently putting in a night shift. Well, Darren's putting in a night shift and we're watching. This is the takeoff for Monster first hit. Currently trying to work out if it's in the right position. What's going on, guys? This is day 2 of episode 2 of the winter rebuild. Currently on the way to Radical Bikes now. It's pretty foggy, so I think I'm gonna cut straight some cinematic-y shots of, you know, the fog and the digger and just, yeah, Brad, inbound. Oh! Sorry.
I'm wearing glasses! That hurt!
So plan for today is finish building this section here. So this is the undecided question mark area of the main line. We've obviously got a clearance issue with the trees, so we don't just want normal jumps. We want it to be a bit different, a bit fun.
Right, so Tom has took on the challenge of us to have a slap off. He's going to do that side, and then I'm going to do this side. I'm going to beat him. Worst shovel.
Don't blame it on the shovel.
This tradesman never blames his tools, well I'm blaming him. Oh, mate, I feel like it needs a... Oh. I'm coming for you, Tom. So I'm looking over at Tom. I can see he's getting a bit of a sweat on. I've now swapped shovels and I can see him getting a bit scared.
There.
Look at the sweat coming off of him.
It is like 9 o'clock in the morning.
How do you feel to be a champion?
It's a daily occurrence in my life. Daily.
Especially that haircut.
Oh, that's why I'm so fast when I'm digging. My head just cuts through the air.
Yeah. Guys, what is this?
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The 2 hips that have now been built, it's going to be a straight jump here into a race jump where I'm standing. The trick jump's going to be around just in front of the mulch jump. You wouldn't want to wear your best trainers in this, that's for sure. So slippy. The landing that everybody mainly rides and does all their bangers on is now getting destroyed. Look at that. Kind of upsetting, but it's going to be for the good, so it doesn't matter. The takeoff needs to be much closer in. Oh, he knows.
Darren knows.
Well, so far, this is what's been done. Darren has now moved this landing closer. The gap now is much tighter, so in theory it should flow better. And then he's put the race jump in there. Pretty decent size, I'd say. It's not too big and it's not too small. And then the finale jump. It's gonna be so good. But I'm going to outro the video there now. Don't want to give too much away for the next video. So if you guys have any ideas on what you think we can do with this space here, what to put in there, let me know in the comments because I'd be pretty stoked to hear. But other than that, thanks for coming back for another video and I'll see you in the next one.